This is part 2 of an awakening mindset meditation. Today we're going to focus on the power of stepping up and being the leader in your life. I'm going to help you connect with your subconscious mind to awaken life-changing insights about your own leadership from deep within. And as Warren Bennis says, leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Let's begin. So I invite you to close your eyes. And with a nice big deep breath in through the nose, feel your body expand. And as you breathe out through your mouth, extending your exhale, relax your face, relax your jaw, your neck and shoulders. Each out-breath is an invite to continue letting go of anything you're holding on to. Thoughts, feelings, tension. And just connect with intention to the strength within. And slowly and deeply inside your mind, breathe out the word leadership. And repeat this about 5 times. And for the next few minutes, allow your mind to bring up from the depths of your subconscious mind all thoughts and actions associated with leadership. If your mind wanders, that's completely normal. Bring it back to your focus on the word leadership and just let those thoughts rise to the surface. Give yourself a wonderful inner smile. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for doing the work today, and come back to your surroundings. And what insights came up for you? What thoughts appeared inside your mind? And if there wasn't much, don't worry. It's amazing what can begin to come to the surface later on today, especially if you give yourself some space and time. But if you did have some thoughts, how are you going to act differently today to cultivate more leadership into your life? Where could you lead more? Where can you take responsibility? Where could you take some action? And I wonder what difference that would make to you and the people around you. Thank you so much for doing the work with me today. And keep an eye out for part 3, where we dive into another powerful word for self-inquiry for an awakening mindset. Have a wonderful, peaceful, present, and leading day.